Welcome to Budgeting 101. Tips for creating a budget that works for you. Feeling like you're in a financial free fall? Not to worry, we've got your parachute. Let's jump right in. Creating a budget may seem overwhelming at first, but it's a crucial step in achieving financial stability and freedom. Here are some tips to get you started. Step 1. Track your expenses. Yes, we know, the last thing you want to do is add more work to your plate. But tracking your expenses for at least a month can help you identify where your money is going and where you can make cuts. Step 2. Categorize your expenses. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, divide your expenses into categories such as housing, transportation, food, entertainment, and so on. Think of it like playing a game of financial Jenga. It's all about balance. Step 3. Determine your income. Calculate your total monthly income, including your salary, any side hustles, and other sources of income. It's time to put all those math skills you learned in school to good use. Step 4. Set your goals. Determine your short-term and long-term financial goals, such as paying off debt, saving for a vacation, or buying a home. Step 5. Allocate your funds. With your goals in mind, allocate your funds to each category based on your priorities. Make sure to leave some wiggle room for unexpected expenses or emergencies. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into some tips for creating a budget that won't make you want to pull your hair out. Tip 1. Prioritize your expenses. Some expenses are essential, such as rent or mortgage payments, while others can be reduced or eliminated, such as eating out or buying expensive coffee. Make sure to prioritize your essential expenses and allocate funds accordingly. Tip 2. Use cash envelopes. Once you've allocated your funds, consider using cash envelopes to stay on track. Put the cash for each category in a separate envelope and use it for all related expenses. Tip 3. Use budgeting apps. Technology can be a helpful tool when it comes to budgeting. There are many budgeting apps available that can help you track your expenses, set goals, and monitor your progress. Tip 4. Be realistic. When creating a budget, make sure to set realistic expectations. Don't try to cut out all fun and entertainment expenses if they are important to your mental health and well-being. Remember, a budget should be sustainable in the long run, not just a short-term solution. Tip 5. Review and adjust your budget regularly. Your life and financial situation are constantly changing, so your budget should too. Make sure to review and adjust your budget regularly to ensure it still aligns with your goals and priorities. Creating a budget may seem overwhelming at first, but it's a crucial step in achieving financial stability and freedom. Remember to track your expenses, prioritize your goals, and be realistic. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to creating a budget that works for you. That's a wrap on our Budgeting 101 video. Take control of your finances and achieve your goals without letting budgeting be a chore. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting personal finance and budgeting content. Drop your questions and suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting!